Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings. AliShanMao here. Welcome outdoors at RC Airport and welcome to the maiden flight of Enjoy to Fly F14 TomCat, the Fattie RC airplane. Now, this is going to be its maiden, so wish us luck. Let me get it ready, check everything works in the right way, and then let's increase the throttle and see if Fattie will fly or not. This plane has been drinking too much oil and sitting and doing nothing. Let's get it airborne. Before we fly it, let me give you a closer look. It's really very well made and lots of details. They took care of details really nicely. And as I have mentioned in my live show when we were assembling it, that you can actually fly it with the pusher motor, and they also have an EDF version, or you can convert it into EDF by yourself because the ducts EDF will fit really easily. You just have to, order the right size. All the details, look at those missiles. But one thing is that you have to tape the missiles right here. As you can see, I did that because otherwise they go down and block the landing gear. I might cut them a little bit as well, but for now I'll just leave it this way. So really, I love the details on the airplane. Looks really nice and charming. And these two pilots, I believe they are ready because we're gonna have a maiden flight and we are not sure how it's gonna perform. In terms of controls, the plane uses ailerons and elevator only, which are, again, I can see they are very, very close to each other. So the Fattie way, the way it's a Fattie airplane, it actually makes it like a wing. So the body is actually generating lift, while the wings are only probably, for controlling the plane. Let's see how it flies anyway. So let's try the taxi. I see the front landing gear works very little. I need to see if CG is fine or not. It turns unexpectedly. Yes, it's drifting a lot, not easy to control. So let's try the CG. CG marks are here. It's basically, look at that, all nicely balanced, but why the plane just keeps turning here and there? So let me add some dual rates on the rudder as well. Okay, it took off. It's actually flying. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. It's actually flying, people. It's fat, but it's still flying, and actually the stabilization system is on, and it's making it really nice and stable in the air. So I will actually keep up some speed. Man, that cartoonish airplane is actually flying. Look at that. Here comes a pass. Nice. Sweet. I don't know, I'm flying manual or no, it's not manual, it's that stabilized mode, not that emergency stabilizer. There's a emergency stabilization as well. Nice, now I'm getting the hang of it. You just need to keep up a speed just like you will for any jet. Yeah. It's very responsive, actually over responsive, I can tell you that, because it's a Fattie. So you may be able to fly it completely manual, but I will still suggest that you fly with the stabilization on for the very first time. So landing gear out. Let's see. Arish, watch if the landing gear came out or not. It came out, okay. So I'll go and make an approach. Get ready to catch it if it goes to the wall or somewhere, but don't stand in front of it, okay? So turn around, give it some speed, nose down, move away, I can do it. Okay, I think we broke the landing gear, we dropped it too hard. So landing gear broken, but hey, this is my very first flight off a Fattie. It actually flew very well, at least. Oh, it's completely broken from there, from that corner. Yes, no worries, we still have hand launch on this one. We can do that. So I'll just close the landing gear. Oh, come on, I do have a little bit of another landing gear which will fit in this one, so we will fix it. But for now, the first flight actually went very well. I'm surprised it actually flew really nice and stable, man. So basically there's a rod here, and this rod is broken. We can easily replace this rod, but no, cannot easily replace. Let me see. Yeah, maybe I can make a new rod. I can replace that rod and repair it. So Fattie actually flew properly, but I had to put a tape here because canopy kind of coming very loose. Oh, it's getting hot, man. So the Fattie flew, and it actually flew very stable. I'm surprised. The flight control system works really nice, and the thing that I found is you have to keep up the speed all the time, because as soon as you start dropping the speed, it starts going, you know, it can stall very easily. So you have to keep up the speed, and you have to keep up the speed especially when you want to land. And me, being out of practice, I haven't flown RC airplanes, especially jets, for a very long time, so naturally the landing, I just dropped it very hard. I should have kept more speed and let it come down. But anyway, we'll go repair the landing gear and then come back and give it one more flight. Thank you very much for watching this video. Give this video a big like, and of course stay subscribed, hit that little bell icon and turn on all the notifications. Stay tuned for more flights of F14 TomCat. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button, it's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.